हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू हाइड्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस ऑन सरफेसेस। फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आपके एक लाइक से हमें आपके लिए वीडियो बनाने में बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन। A cylindrical gate of 4-meter diameter, 2-meter long, has water on its both sides as shown in figure. Determine the magnitude, location and direction of the resultant force exerted by the water on the gate. Find also the least weight of the cylinder so that it may not be lifted away from the floor. Friends, it is saying that here this is the cylindrical gate of 4 meter in diameter. Liquid is there on the both side. Left side level is up to this much and right side up to half of the cylinder. Okay friends, now you see here two part is there, left side and right side. If you consider this is the middle part AOC, so half cylinder is related to right side and half cylinder gate is related to left side. So this is the right side and this is the left side. Now we consider two part. Now we consider two part like this. Okay friends, so this is the half, this is the A O C, this is point B and this is point D. Now half part means this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay friends, now first we will consider the left side. First we will consider the left side. Left side, the level is up to this. Okay friends, up to this. So half part we will consider. Left side what happened friends, only half part will be considered. And suppose first case this is not available, this is not available, so only this part is there. This is A, O and C, B. This is the water level. So what is the projected area on the vertical wall? What is the projected area? So projected area is equal to what? This is the projected area. Okay friends, this is the projected area on vertical wall. So this length is equal to what? This length is equal to 4 meter, or you can say dia equal to 4 meter, and dia equal to 4 meter and its length is equal to 2 meters. So what happened? This is equal to 2 meter and this dia is equal to 4 meter. Now friends, here this is the center of gravity point. This is the center of gravity point G, and here the center of gravity to free surface is the h bar. So this distance equal to h bar. We can say this is h1 bar because right side is there now also. So we are giving here left side h1 bar. Now here we can give this area is equal to A1. This area is equal to A1. Okay, friends. So here, if you see here, half part, what we are getting, friends? What we are getting? H1. H1 is equal to what? H1 bar is equal to 4 by 2, because center point to this free surface is equal to half distance of the dia, so it is equivalent to the 4 by 2 equal to 2 meter. Now area is equal to what? A1 is equal to what? A1 is equal to this 4 into 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8 meter square. This is the vertical projected area. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. Now we have to calculate horizontal force. Horizontal force, or you can say horizontal pressure force, Fx1. So Fx1 is equal to what? We know that, friends. Fx1 is equal to rho g A1 H1 bar. We can say, friends, this is the rho 1, but we are considering that this left side and right side, both side water is there. It means density is same. That's why we are considering only rho, or you can say this rho 1 equal to rho 2 equal to rho. So here this is a rho g A1 H1 bar Newton. So Fx1, this is the horizontal component of force in left side. Friends, what we are considering, only left side we are considering. We are talking about only left side. So all the calculation I am doing for the left side only. Okay, friends. This is the Fx1. So density of water is equal to what? Density of water is equal to 1000 into 9.81 into A area is equal to 8 meter square into H1 bar is equal to 2. So how much it will come? It will come, we will calculate this 1000 into 9.81 is equal to what? 9810. 9810 into 8 into 2. How much? It will come 156,960 Newton. Okay, friends. 6960 Newton. Now this is the value of Fx1. This is the horizontal component of force which is working in the left side. Now we have to calculate the vertical component of force which is working in the left side, or we can say vertical component of force which is working in this volume A, B, C, O, A, because only half part level is this much. So only this part is considered for vertical component of force. Okay, friends. So for vertical force Fy1, what we will do, friends? We know that the Fy1 equal to rho g into volume. So this volume is equal to what? This volume is equal to volume of which part? A, B, C, O, A, because only this part A, B, C, O, A, up to this water level is there. So left side only this volume is calculated, because up to this water level is there. Okay, friends. So volume we will consider only this. So friends, Fy1 equal to how much? Density we know 1000 into G value is equal to 9.81 into volume. So we will calculate the volume value. Volume is equal to what? area, volume is equal to area of this part into width. So what is the area? This is the half circle, and this dia is equal to 4 meter, so radius is equal to half 2 meter. So it will come pi r square is the area of the circle divided by 2. So this is the area of half circle into width. Width is equal to what? 2 meter. So this will cancel out. So volume is equal to what? Volume equal to pi r square. It will around pi into 2 into 2. So 4 pi is the meter cube volume will come. So Fy1 equal to how much? This 1000 into 9.81 into 4 pi. This is Newton. So how much it will come, friends? 9810. This 9810, 1000 into 9.81 is equal to 9810 into 4 pi. So it will come around 123,276.09 Newton. So Fy1 value has calculated. This Fx1 and Fy1 is the horizontal component of force and vertical component of force because of this liquid up to this level. Okay friends, clear? Now this is the first, this is the left side. Now we have to calculate for the right side. We can say this is nothing here. Now we have to calculate only right side because right side is liquid up to this level. Half level is there. Since here you see half side only liquid surface level is half of the cylinder. So this distance is equal to what? This distance is equal to half, or you can say radius. So it is the 2 meter. Now what is the projected area? What is the projected area of this part? So projected area is equal to what? This is the vertical projected area of only this part. So here you can say this is the projected area on vertical wall. So its height is equal to 2 meter and its length is equal to 2 meter. So friends, from here this is area A2 is equal to how much? 2 into 2 equal to 4 meter square, and h bar, in this case h bar is equal to what? For this plate center point is equal to, this is the center point G, so its height is equal to what? This is the h2 bar. So h2 bar is equal to what? h2 bar is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1 meter. Okay friends. Now friends, similar case as we did in the left side, same procedure we will do for right side. Okay friends, same procedure we will do for right side because we have to find the horizontal component of force because this side nothing is there. If we consider this part only, so what is now right side? So right side we have to consider the third part is what? Horizontal force Fx2. So we know that friends, Fx2 equal to rho g A2 into S2 bar. So this is the Newton. This is the horizontal component of force in the right side. So it is equivalent to, this value is there, we will put the value 1000 density into 9.81. Area we calculated here 4 4 4 meter square into h bar is equal to 1 meter. So this is in Newton. It will come around 9810 into 4. 9810 into 4 equal to, it will come 39240 Newton. So Fx2 value has calculated, means horizontal component of force in the right side, this much value will come. Now friends, the fourth point is that we have to calculate the vertical component of force, due to right side of the liquid. So vertical force. So vertical force, friends, in this case, because of this right side liquid, only this part, only this volume is considered. Only this volume of the cylinder is considered. ODC volume is considered. So in this case, friends, this vertical force, a vertical component of force, Fy2 is equal to what? Fy2 is equal to density G into volume of ODC. ODC part of the circle. ODC. So this is the volume. Now we know that, friends, this density is equal to 1000 into 9.81 into volume is equal to what? Volume is equal to area of this part into width. So area of this part means what, friends? This is the 1/4 of the circle. So this is the pi r square is the area of the circle divided by 4 into width. Width is equal to 2 meter. So it is the cancel by 2. So how much it will come? And radius is equal to, this is 9810 into pi into 2 into 2 divided by 2. So this 2 also cancel out. So it will come 2 pi into 9810. So this is Fy2. So from here Fy2 equal to, we will multiply Fy2 equal to how much, friends? 9810 into 2 pi. So it will come around 61638.04 Newton. Okay, friends. So here we calculated here 4 part. Right side also we calculated horizontal component force, vertical component force, and left side also we calculated horizontal component of force and vertical component of force. Now we will write all this force at a point. So the calculation will be easy. Now this is Fx1 is equal to what? This is Fx1. This is the Fx1 is equal to 156960 Newton. Fy1 is equal to what? 12326.09 Newton. This is the left side, and this is Fx2 is the right side force. It is equal to the 39240 Newton, and this Fy2 equal to how much? 61638.04 Newton. So this 4 part calculated. Getting, friends? Now what we will do? Now what we will do, friends? We will find the net component of force. net component of force. It means, friends, what is the net force in x direction and what is the net force in y direction. So from here you see, friends, what happened. Due to this liquid, the force will work in this direction. So this is the, if I can say, the force Fx1 will work in this direction, or I am explaining from here. So due to this liquid, what happened? Due to this liquid, left side liquid, the Fx1 will work in this direction, and because of this right side liquid, the horizontal component of force is working in this direction. And vertical component of force Fy1 and Fy2 both will work in the upward direction. So from here the liquid pressure will applied in upward direction, and in this also the liquid pressure will be applied in upward direction. So liquid pressure force here and liquid pressure force here. Now you see here, friends, this force and this force opposite direction is there, and this force and this force is same direction is there. So what is the net component of force in horizontal direction and what is the net component of force in the vertical direction, we will find. Okay, friends. So from here net component of force in horizontal direction, net horizontal component of force, this is equivalent to the Fx, and it is equal to what? It is equal to what, friends? This Fx1 minus Fx2, because you see here, as the level is more, so in this direction the force will be more. Here level is less, so less pressure force is applied. Here more pressure force is applied. So Fx1 minus Fx2. So what is the net component of force in horizontal direction? So Fx equal to Fx1 minus Fx2. So its value is there. If its value is there here, Fx1 is equal to what? 156,960 minus 39240. So it will come, friends, it will come here, how much? 156,960 minus 39240. So it will come 117,720 Newton. So this is the net component of force. Fx is equal to 117,720 Newton. Getting, friends? Similarly, net component of force in vertical direction, net vertical component of force, this is Fy. So Fy is equal to what? Fy is equal to, since both direction is upper direction, so it will add. So what happened here? This Fy1 plus Fy2 equal to, we'll put the value here, friends. We will put the value. Fy1 is equal to what? 12327.6.09 plus 61,638.04. So it will come around Fy equal to 12327.6.09 plus 61,638.04. So it will come 184914.13 Newton. So this is the vertical component of force. Okay friends, this is the vertical component of force. Now we know that friends, what is the resultant force? What is the resultant force? So resultant force F equal to under root net horizontal force Fx whole square plus net vertical component of force Fy whole square. So from here F value we will calculate, we'll put the value here, this one 117720 whole square plus 184914.13 whole square. So it will come around, this value is there, so square plus 117720 whole square to the power 0.5. So friends, it will come around resultant force here, the resultant force F equal to, it will come friends 41920.916 Newton. This is the resultant force, or we can say this is the magnitude of the resultant force. Okay friends, this is the magnitude of the resultant force. Getting? Now friends, we have to find the direction also. We have to find the direction also. Here we have to determine the magnitude, location and direction of the resultant force, first point, and the second point is that find the least weight of the cylinder. So friends, this is the magnitude of the resultant force. Now what is the direction? Direction of the resultant force, direction of resultant force is equal to what friends? This is the 10 phi and it is equivalent to the Fy by Fx. So from here we are able to find this 10 phi, how much is there? Fy and Fx. So friends, Fy is equal to what? Here you see Fy is equal to 184914.13 divided by Fx 117720. So it will come friends here 184914.13 divided by 117720. So it will come 1.5707 or phi equal to tan inverse. So it will come 57.518 degree from the horizontal. Okay friends, so here this is the direction of the resultant force, 57.518 degree. Getting friends? Now we have to find the location. So when we are finding the location, because here two forces is there, net component of horizontal force and net component of vertical force. So we will find the location of where is the net component of force working in horizontal direction and where net component of force is working in the vertical direction. It means friends, what I am saying, here you see this is the fx1 and this is fx2, this is fy1 and this is fy2, but somewhere net horizontal force is working and somewhere net vertical component of force is working. So what is the location of net horizontal force and what is the location of the net vertical force? We have to determine. Okay friends, getting net horizontal force and net vertical force location we have to determine. So in this case friends, now you see here, friends, first we have to determine what is the location of this fx1 and fx2. This is the, in this diagram you see what is the location of this fx1 and fx2 and what is the location of this fy1 and fy2. We know that friends, the horizontal component of force is working on the center of pressure. So we have to determine the center of pressure in this side, left side, and center of pressure in the right side. And if vertical component of force is there, so it is working at the center of gravity of this half part. So if you see here friends, the center of gravity, if you consider only half circle, so what is the center of gravity? So center of gravity of this half part is equal to 4r by 3 pi. It means friends, if I can say here, if I can say here, this is the half part, if this is the half part we are considering, so what is the center of gravity of this half circle? So it is around from this part to this part, so this distance is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Similar case, if it is like this also, so what is the center of gravity here in this case? From here this point, so it is also around 4r by 3 pi. Getting friends? So from here you see, I will make it here friends. So we have to find here first the location of center of gravity Cp for left side and the center of gravity center of pressure point for left side and center of pressure for the right side. So we have to find, this is the H star, H1 star, H1 star. So here also we have to find first H2 star. Getting friends? And for vertical component is working at the distance from here 4r by 3 pi and from here also 4r by 3 pi. So here this is fy1 and at this point fy2 and horizontal component fx1 here, and in this direction this is the fx2. Getting friends? Little bit complicated is there, but keep patience, it will understand. फ्रेंड्स वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा होगा, सो आप थोड़ा ध्यान रखिए. आइए अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं लोकेशन. वी हैव टू फाइंड द लोकेशन. नाउ फ्रेंड्स यू सी हियर लेफ्ट साइड, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द H1 star. H1 star. So friends, if you see here, if like this rectangle is there and up to this part liquid surface is there, so directly we can find the H1 star is equal to 2d by 3. Directly we can determine d is the this distance, d is the this distance. So we can directly we can calculate here 2 into this dia is equal to how much? 4 divided by 3. So 8 divided by 3 is equal to 2.666 meter it will come. This is the H1 star. Similarly friends, if we can find the right side also same situation is there. So liquid surface up to this, so directly we can find the H2 star is equal to 2 into d dash divided by 2, or we can say d dash is the distance of this one. Okay friends, distance of half, or you can say 2 into 2 divided by 3, 2d by 3, sorry, 2d by 3. So from here this is 4 by 3. So H2 star is equal to 1.333 meter. Getting friends? It means from here, this point, from water surface to this point, Fx1 is working. So this point, horizontal component of force Fx1 in the left side working, and at this point Cp, horizontal component of force Fx2 is working at this point. We know the value H2 star and H1 star. Now the net force already calculated, so location of the net force we have to find. Getting friends? Let's suppose the horizontal component of force is working somewhere here. We don't know, somewhere here it is working. This is the net component of force, net horizontal component of force Fx. Okay friends, this is the net component of force Fx. We don't know the location. We know the location of Fx1, we know the location of Fx2, but we don't know the location of Fx, because this is the net horizontal component of force. Let's suppose here friends, from the bottom is the location is equal to at the distance of y meter. So from the bottom, this net component of force Fx, the distance is equal to y meter. Okay friends, getting clear? Now this Fx, if you take here, consider this point is the base point. So what happened? This force into this distance, this we are considering, how we are considering here, this Fx into y equal to, see here friends, for Fx1 we know that location, because this total is equal to dia is equal to 4 meter, and we know the this H star value. So what is the bottom value? This 4 minus this H1 star. Similarly here Fx2, this height is equal to 2 meter, and this H2 star we know the value. So what is the value from this point, or we can say this point to this point. Getting friends? So how we calculate this Fx net force into y equal to Fx1 into this 4. Actually we have to find this value. We have to find this value from left side and this value from the right side. So this value is equal to what? 4 minus H1 star minus, because if you see here, it will come, if you take movement, this will come in the clockwise direction, and from here it will come anti-clockwise direction. So because this is both opposite now, so it will come minus, and this is the greater force, this is the less force compared to this one. So Fx2 into 2 minus S2 star. So from here friends, we are able to find, we know the value of Fx1, Fx2, Fx, H1 star, H2 star. So we'll put all the value here. So where we calculated here. Fx1 value is equal to 156,960. This 4 minus H1 star. Okay, we'll put it here. Minus Fx2 is equal to 39240 into 2 minus H2 star. So H2 star we already calculated. One second. Sorry, here only calculated now. So H1 star is equal to 2.666 into S2 star is equal to, actually this is the S2 star and this value is the H1 star. So from here we put the value 1.333 and we know the net force already calculated here friends. Fx is the net force. So here 117720 into y. So here 117720 into y equal to what? This 4 minus 2.666 into 156,960. It will come around 209290.46 minus here you see 2 minus 1.333 into this 39240. It will come around 26173.08. So we can minus here 209290.46 minus 26173.08. It will come friends 183,117.38. So y equal to what? Y equal to divide by 117720. So it will come around divide by 117720. So it will come friends 1.555 meter from bottom. Getting friends? So from bottom the net force location is equal to this y value is equal to, we calculated 1.555 meter. So this is the location of the net horizontal component of force. Now we have to determine the net vertical component of location of the net vertical component of force. Okay friends. So for this, for location of net vertical force Fy. So for this friends, we know the location of Fy1 and we know the Fy2. So from here you see this side vertical component of force is more because the liquid is more, and this side this side vertical component of force is less. So anyhow whatever net vertical component is there, it will lie in this region from this point to this point. Okay friends. Now here you see first we have to find both value is same here. So we'll find this 4r by 3 pi value. we know that 4 into r is equal to what? 2. Radius is equal to 2 meter divided by 3 pi. So it will come around 8 divided by 3 pi. So friends, it will come 0.8488 meter both side from this AOC. It means friends, this FY1, this is FY1 is 0.8488 left side of AOC, and FY2 is same 0.8488 right side of AOC. Getting friends? So FY1 is left side and FY2 is the right side. Now we have to find the Fy value. So friends, let's suppose somewhere here this net force Fy is working. Getting friends? And its distance is, let's suppose here, x distance. This is x distance. Let's give some number. This x1 is equal to this side and x2 is equal to this value. So let's, here this Fy vertical component of force, net vertical component of force Fy is x distance is left side from AOC. We are assuming this one. Now we will calculate. So similar, Fy into x क्या हो जाएगा friends? About this dia means you can say AOC value will take, so it will come Fy into x equal to this Fy1 into x1 minus Fy2, because here you see clockwise and here you see anti-clockwise, and about this point O. So Fy2 into x2. So friends, here by this way we can find the value. Fy value we are knowing, F1 we are knowing, x1 x2 already we are knowing, and Fy2 also we are knowing. We'll put all the value here. So Fy2 is equal to what? Friends, you see here Fy1 value is equal to 123,276.09 into x1 value is equal to same 0.8488 minus Fy2 is equal to 61,638.04 into 0.8488. So from here this value common, so we can minus it directly here. This 123,276.09 minus 61,638.04 equal to 61638.05 into 0.8488 into 0.8488. So it will come around 52318.37. Fy we know the value here. Net value is equal to how much? 18,491.13 into x. So x value is equal to, we can find, divide by 18,491.13. 3. So it will come friends 0.28293 meter. Since it is positive, so it will come friends here. See here. So this x value is equal to 0.28 0.282 meter. So this is the location of the y component, net y component, vertical component, and y is giving the location of the horizontal force component. Getting friends? Now one more point is there in this. One more point is there friends. We have to calculate here. It is saying that find also here magnitude we find, location we find here, direction we find. Last point is this: find also the least weight of the cylinder so that it may not be lifted away from the floor. So what is the net component of force friends? So net component of force, friends, you see here the net component of net weight, or you can say least weight. What is the least weight? So least weight is equal to what? Least weight, it should be greater than or equal to net vertical component of force. Okay friends, अगर net vertical component of force is equal to this much, यह तो ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में लगाएगा ना फ्रेंड्स, अपर डायरेक्शन में इतना लगेगा. अगर सिलेंडर का वेट जो है इससे कम होगा तो क्या होगा, वह लिफ्ट कर जाएगा. तो एनी हाउ जो सिलेंडर का वेट होगा वह इसके इक्विवेलेंट और इससे ज्यादा होगा. तो इस केस में क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स, लिस्ट वेट में क्या हो जाएगा, लिस्ट वेट ऑफ cylindrical gate, or you can say least weight of gate equal to Fy, or it is equal to 1F4914.13 Newton. So this is the least weight. Getting friends? So friends, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. थैंक यू.